Hi, how are you doing? I'm Fernando. Welcome to Host2B Academy. Today I'll show you how to change the offer badge color in Shopify. First, access the Shopify dashboard. On the left, click the online store button. Just click it. The themes page opens. Find your theme. Click the three-dot button. A menu appears. Click Edit Code. The theme files page opens. In Filter Files, search for base.css. You'll see a file named base.cs. Click it to open your store's style script. This contains all your store's appearance code. We'll scroll to the bottom of this script. Just go all the way down. At the last line, which is blank, press Enter to add a new line. Next, we'll visit hostube.net. The link's in the description and you'll find the code we need there. Simply click the copy button here. After copying, go back to Shopify and paste the code in the blank line we left. To change the offer sealed color, we'll use these first two lines. The first line changes the background color. The second changes the text color. In the first line, enter the background color code you want to use. The color code starts with a hashtag symbol, followed by the code itself. You'll insert it right here. If you're unsure of the color code, check the hostube.net link in the code comments. When you access it, this page will open in HostTube, showing the full color palette to choose from. Select your desired color, then scroll down to see the color code. Click the Copy Color button. After copying, return to Shopify and go to the first line of our code. Select the hashtag and all the existing code in the script. Delete it and paste the new color code. Use Ctrl plus V to paste. Paste the color code and the background will change to your selected color. I'll keep the default color I've already set. To change the text color, go to the second line where you'll see the color name. Simply change the color name to your desired color. The default is white. Enter the color name in English to change it as needed. You can erase white and set the color to blue, for example. You can put the color name in black. Remember, the color must be written in English. You can set the color to yellow or any color you want. I'll leave it as the default white, but you can choose any color you like. After these settings, go to the top right and click the Save button. Just click it and the changes will be saved successfully. Now, when you visit your store site, you'll see the offer seal on sale items has changed to your chosen color. I hope this video was helpful.